Steve Garfield from stevegarfield.com, and we're in Boston, and this is the BU Bridge. Just doing a little test here, shooting. Oh, here we go. There's the rovers down the Charles River. Beautiful shot of Boston here. So there you go. Beautiful day. It's gorgeous in Boston today. Actually testing out a new microphone attachment for the Nokia N95. It's all the rage right now. Seems to be working out well, if you guys can hear me. One more shot of Boston there. Here's another nice shot. Let me put the tripod down. So there's Drive, looking in towards Boston, and there you can see over on the left the John Hancock Tower, and on the right is the Prudential. Okay. Oh. It's clipping the plosives. Uh-oh. I just need to test this some more. Hey, Anonymous, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's not it, it's you. Okay. Hey, Goldstein, what's up? You're telling me that the quality of this microphone is good. Because it's a shotgun microphone with a windscreen on it. Okay. It sounded good in Guitar Center. Carol's good. Man, is it just the most gorgeous day in Washington, D.C.? It's beautiful in Boston. See? Some fan mail from some founder. Yeah, I'm testing out this whole new microphone attachment setup for, I'm going to be shooting a conference, a couple of conferences coming up. I guess I can go. Even though it said, don't walk. Kenmore's down that way. Com Ave. BU up this way. Oh, see ya. Okay, so I'm going to shut off now and then check it out.